I really like the little jodel slash riff she had there. It wasn't one thing or the other, it wasn't a complete yodel or it wasn't a complete riff, it was something there. Hello everyone, welcome to another video here at Bliss. I'm back after a long time and today I'm going to be reacting to someone I've never listened to before. Someone I have seen her giving a speech, I think it was at the Grammy Awards, and I thought, wow, what a sweet girl. She must have a fantastic voice, and here we are, Chappell Roan and The Giver.
Got antlers on the horse, but I sure know maiden calls on the stalls and the bars on a Friday night.
I really like the vibe, the instrumentation, even the costumes are very good.
And other boys may need a map, but I can close my eyes and have you wrapped around my fingers like that.
See that mid resonance there works very well for the beginning of like these verses.
So baby, when you need a job done, call me baby.
So far I'm loving the contrast of that middle resonance that she had at the beginning with the the sound there, very frontal and on the top T.
'Cause you ain't gotta tell me, it's just in my nature, so take it like a taker. 'Cause baby, I'm a giver.
She has a very good control of her support and pitch and tone.
I get the job done, I get the job done.
It is so new and so refreshing because it doesn't remind me of anything that is happening at the moment.
And in the strip mall town of dreams, good luck finding a man who has the means to rhinestone cowgirl all night long.
I really like the little jodel slash riff she had there. It wasn't one thing or the other, it wasn't a complete yodel or it wasn't a complete riff, it was something there.
Ain't no need to hurry, 'cause baby I deliver. Ain't no country for a quitter. I get the job done, I get the job.
See, and in this part, she's not giving it just the resonance and the development of the sound so much to the front. Now she is compromising on that middle section of where the resonance was happening in the verses. She didn't do it at the beginning, she's doing it now. I don't know if because once you're in the middle of the song you are actually warmer, so it's easier for you to like play around with the type of sound you're delivering, or because clearly just staying in that mid hybrid resonance is going to give a different color, which is a very good idea to do. And also it will give like this extra bassy depth to the sound, which works very well. Before I continue, I wanted to remind you that here at Bliss we not only react to amazing singers singing amazing songs, we also teach piano, singing, musical theatre and guitar, and we're offering a free taster. All you have to do is to pop into our website and select the type of taste that you would like to have, the time on a day that suits you best, and we're going to see you on the other side.
I get the job done, I get the job done, I get the job done, I get the job done. Well, I get the job done. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I do. You're welcome.
Oh, this was great. It's very interesting and difficult when you listen to an artist live, because you know we nowadays are used to so many effects and so many things that when you listen to a new artist and she's coming on TV and you know you hear with like a band and then choir and backing vocals, or you know. And then there's a one line like it happened now, they have one line of her vocals, and it was quite good. It was quite, you could see that she was pushing there to make the sound perfect, and it did work. She's a great vocalist. I really like her looks, I really like the vibe. It's kind of like new and is bold, but at the same time, it's kind of like, I don't know, innocent in an artistic way. And I like that. So I will definitely be listening to more stuff by her. I really, really like it. So let me know if you have any specific song that you like, and then I will definitely have a look. Have a lovely rest of your day or night, and then I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye!